Limited production classics commemorating significant milestones are pretty much a no-brainer when it comes to collectability. Add that status to the already desirable second-generation Trans Am, and you've definitely got something special. One of the last 1,817 cars fitted with Pontiac's top option W72 4-speed combo, this fully documented 10th anniversary Trans Am is a must-see gem. Beginning life at GM's Van Nuys manufacturing facility and meeting its first owner in Minnesota, this pristine Pontiac is the beneficiary of a light restoration that was conducted by a Trans Am connoisseur. The car's straight and solid body was fully repainted and decked in fresh decals. And today, this rare bird rolls as a super clean collector car that would be equally at home on the green of a high-end show or the floor of a first-class museum. Inside, a 10th anniversary exclusive interior looks fantastic. Firm and comfortable seats are nice metallic pieces that have the slick appearance of wet paint. A clean console plants chrome power window switches behind a chrome Hurst shifter. Up front, an engine-turned instrument panel frames crystal clear gauges above factory climate control and correct Cadillac-sourced audio. And an attractive formula steering wheel tops an optional tilting column. Pop the hood and you'll find an original 400 cubic inch W72 V8. That top option 6.6 liter sends its power to a BorgWarner 4-speed and correct posi traction with 323 gears. We have featured many of these 10th anniversary Trans Ams, and without exception, they've all sold very quickly. There's a devoted following who knows these are underrated classics, and pristine, mostly original cars are becoming exceptionally difficult to find. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.